Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for Lux Industries. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings just now. Before going on to the consolidated numbers, I will give you a brief introduction on the company. Lux Industry Limited is established in 1995 and it is one of the major player in the hosiery businesses with a diversified product range across multiple brands. Specializing in knitwear manufacturing, the company operates in India and serves both domestic as well as international markets. Additionally, it has a subsidiary named as Artemis Fashion Private Limited and manufacturing units in Kolkata, Ludhiana and Tirupur. So that's a brief introduction on the company. Now let's look at the consolidated numbers. So coming to the total income, the numbers are in crores. So year on year, the revenue has increased from 527 crores to 545 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 3%, and quarter on quarter it has decreased from 716 crores to 545 crores. So that's the accounting to almost 24% of degrowth in terms of quarter on quarter revenue numbers. Now let's look at the expenses. Coming to the expenses, year on year it has decreased from 506 crores to 500 crores, and quarter on quarter it has again decreased from 639 crores to 500 crores. So coming to the operating profit margins, so year on year, so in the June ended quarter in the previous year it was at 4.1%. In the previous quarter it was at 10.7%, and in the previous quarter it is at 8.2%. So overall, year on year, the company has doubled down on the operating profit margins, but in terms of the quarter on quarter, slightly decreased by almost 2%, almost 1.5 to 2%. So that's the operating profit margins. Now let's look at the net profits. Year on year it has increased from 15 crores to 33 crores, and quarter on quarter it has decreased from 55 crores to 33 crores. So year on year it has jumped by almost 120% in terms of the net profits, and quarter on quarter it has decreased by almost 40%. So that's the numbers for the company. Now let's look at the EPS. So year on year it has increased from 5.155 to 11.30, and quarter on quarter it has decreased from 18.47 to 11.30. So now to summarize the whole quarterly numbers in terms of the percentage growth, both year on year as well as quarter on quarter for the total income as well as the net profits. Year on year the revenue has increased by 3.5%, and quarter on quarter it's fell by almost 24%. So coming to the net profits, year on year it has grown by almost 120%, and quarter on quarter it has fell by almost 40%. So that's the numbers. And also in terms of the operating profit margins, year on year it has increased from 4.1% to 8.2%, which is increased by almost again 4.1%, that is doubled in terms of year on year. Coming to the quarter on quarter numbers, it has decreased from 10.7 to 8.2%. So that's the operating profit margins. So now look at the numbers. Quarter on quarter numbers not looking good for the company, but year on year numbers are good. Let's see how market reacts to these numbers when the market opens. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in this company, so that they will be aware in the quarterly numbers. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. With that, I'll come to end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next video.